Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make duck bacon. First, select a high-quality duck breast, ideally with the skin on, weighing around 12 to 16 ounces. Next, prepare your curing mixture using a blend of salt, sugar, and any desired spices such as black pepper or juniper berries. Apply this mixture evenly to all sides of the duck breast, ensuring complete coverage. Then, refrigerate the duck breast for 24 to 48 hours, allowing the cure to fully penetrate the meat. This initial step is crucial for flavor and preservation. After curing, it's time to rinse and dry your duck breast. First, thoroughly rinse the cured duck breast under cold running water to remove any excess curing mixture. Next, pat the duck breast completely dry with paper towels, ensuring there is no surface moisture remaining. Then, place the duck breast on a wire rack, uncovered, in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. This crucial drying period allows a pellicle to form, which is essential for achieving the best texture and flavor during the next cooking stage. Now for the cooking. You can either smoke or roast your duck bacon. If smoking, maintain a low temperature of around 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 hours, until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, roast it in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours, aiming for the same internal temperature. Consider using apple or cherry wood chips for a delightful, mild, smoky flavor. Once cooked, let the duck bacon cool completely before slicing it thinly for serving. Finally, it's time to slice, store, and enjoy your homemade duck bacon. Slice the cooled duck bacon thinly against the grain to achieve the best texture and crispiness. Store any cooked duck bacon in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. When ready to eat, simply pan fry or bake the slices until they are wonderfully crispy. Then serve them alongside eggs or on your favorite sandwiches. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.